Hello friends, welcome to my channel Biz Intelligence. In this video you will learn how to remove unrecognized spaces in Excel which trim function does not remove. So watch this video till end and you will learn amazing logic. And before we head over to my laptop, show your support, like, share and subscribe to my channel. In some cases there are extra spaces in the text, but when we apply trim function on those text, trim function fails to remove those spaces. These spaces are special characters and they are not same like the normal space. Hence, trim function fails to recognize them and fails to remove them from the text. In this file, I have simple data. In sheet called data, I have employee details like employee name and employee salary. In report sheet, I have only employee names and I have to extract their salary from data sheet tab. I will apply simple VLOOKUP formula to extract that salary details. Now you can see when I apply VLOOKUP formula, it does not give me the salary even though these names are there in the data. Let's look at these names and check what is the actual issue and why VLOOKUP function is not returning us the actual salary. Let's edit these cells. I can see there are spaces at the start and at the end as well. So let's go and edit this VLOOKUP function and add trim function to lookup value. Let's add trim to lookup value and now this should return us the salary. Even if we take lookup value inside trim function, it is not giving me the salary. Trim function is failing here to remove those spaces from the text. Before I take you through the solution for this, let me explain you what this special character is. So let's see what is this special character. There are two functions which we can use to identify what type of character it is. First one is code and another one is char. These two functions helps us to identify the type of character and its associated ASCII value, which is a code of that character. So for example, if I type code and write text as small a, it will return me the code associated with this character, which is S97. Let's take capital A. Code associated with capital A is 65. These are nothing but the ASCII values of these characters. Now let's see what is the code of space. Code double quote space double quote end. That means space has ASCII value 32. Now let's see what is the use of char function. If you know the code of any special character, you can use char function to write down that character. So let's say char and you can write down the code of any character and it will return you the character assigned to that code, which is a capital A. So there is an option where you can check all these special characters and their assigned character codes. Let's go to Insert tab and click on Symbol option. Here you need to select ASCII decimal as a from, and if you select any of these characters, you will be able to see the character code of the selected character. So character capital A has code 65. You can select different characters and see what is the code assigned to that character. There are different options under different fonts and you can select any of these fonts and you will be able to see what is the character code. There is a special character which looks like a normal space. It has character code as 160. Let's see it with char function. Char and I type character code 160 and it is returning me a space. I copy and paste it as a value. Now let's edit this cell. You can see there is a space. But if you apply trim function on this character, trim function will not be able to recognize this as a normal space and trim function will fail. To overcome this issue, we can use substitute function which can take character with its code. So before that, let me explain you what substitute function does. Substitute function replaces the part of text with new text. For example, I have text learning and I want to replace L with new text A. So this is my text, old text is L and new text is A. So it will replace instances of given find text with new text. So L is being replaced with A. Now let's see how to use the substitute function to remove that special character. So I say substitute, this is my lookup value and I want to remove that special character which has character code as 160. So I will use char function and provide the character code of that special character, and I will say replace that special character with blank text and enter. Now this VLOOKUP function will return you the salary because substitute function is able to recognize that special character and remove it from the employee name.